Hello and welcome back to another episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Today, we'll be discussing two more interesting words that you will definitely want to add to your vocabulary. First up, we have invective. Invective. Now, you might have heard this word before, but do you know what it means? Well, this word refers to insulting or abusive language that is used to attack a person, group, or thing. It's often used to describe a strong, angry, or bitter verbal attack. For example, if you were in an argument with someone and they start calling you names or insults you with hurtful words, that's considered invective. Here is a sentence example for this word. After the athlete was caught cheating, he was bombarded with invective from fans and fellow competitors. Our next word is broadside. Broadside. This word has a few different meanings, and one meaning is similar to our first word, invective, which refers to harsh and insulting language. It's often used to describe a harsh or severe critique that is delivered abruptly or forcefully. For example, if a newspaper published a scathing article that criticized a politician's actions, you could say that the article was a broadside against the politician. Another meaning is a nautical term that refers to the firing of all guns on one side of a ship, typically during battle. Another definition is a sheet of paper with writing or printing on one side only. In the past, broadsides were used to spread news or information to a wide audience. For example, if you saw a poster with a political message on it, that could be considered a broadside. Here is a sentence example for this word. The new policy received a broadside of criticism from employees who would be affected. So, there you have it, invective and broadside, two words that you can use to describe strong and forceful attacks, whether they are verbal or written. We hope you have enjoyed learning these two words today. If you want to see more, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. Thanks for watching.